Let's review the essential characteristics of viruses. Viruses are acellular, meaning they are not made of cells. They are obligate intracellular parasites. They need a host cell to replicate. Their genome is either DNA or RNA, but never both at the same time. They are surrounded by a protein coat known as a capsid. Some viruses have a lipid envelope, while others are naked, non-enveloped. They lack ribosomes and metabolic machinery, so they cannot synthesize proteins. Viruses replicate by hijacking the host cell's machinery. Option A claims viruses are living organisms. This is controversial as they lack cellular structure and metabolism. Option B suggests viruses contain both DNA and RNA. This is incorrect, they only have one type of nucleic acid. Option C accurately describes viruses. They are acellular and obligate intracellular parasites. Their genome is either DNA or RNA, enclosed in a protein coat. They lack ribosomes and depend on host cells for replication. Option D states viruses have their own ribosomes. This is false as viruses do not possess ribosomes. Option E claims all viruses have a lipid envelope. This is incorrect, naked viruses do exist. The only fully correct option is C. Thus, C is the correct description of viruses.